Namaskar. Welcome. Today we will understand about the different types of personality. I hope you know the common definition of the personality. It is the characteristic patterns of the thoughts, feelings and behaviors that makes a person unique. Looking to this definition, the different psychologist and scientist defines the types of personalities in a different ways. According to the Jung, the personality can be divided into three categories. One is introvert, second is extrovert, third is ambivert. According to the Ernest Kretschmer, the personality can be divided into four categories. One, Pythonic, second, asthenic, third, athletic, and fourth, dysplastic. According to the William Seldom, the personality can be divided into three categories. One is endomorph, second is ectomorph, and third is mesomorph. And according to the modern science, the personality can be divided into three categories. First one is the man of feelings, second one the man of actions, and third one the man of thoughts. So you can find other different definitions regarding these types of personality from different types of scientists and psychologists. As you informed before, all these definitions belongs to different scientists and psychologists. They are working for your success and your growth. Their definitions are very useful for your growth and success, but they cannot do anything regarding to your transformation, regarding to your peace. Only a yogi or a master can do something for your inner transformation and for your peace. So let's understand the different types of personality according to the yogic science. But before that, you should know why you need to know about your personality, about your different type of personality. Why? Because if you don't know, how can you upgrade your personality? You should know which type of personality you have right now and which kind of personality is your target. I hope you know what is the process of upgradation. Look, to upgrade your personality, you should know where you are. You need to know about your standpoint and you should know what is your target, where to reach, and the process from your standpoint to your target is all about called the process of upgradation. Before to adopt the upgradation process, you should know the different types of personality according to yogic science. Here I am going to present the types of personality according to the yogic science. There are four types of personality in yogic science. First one is body oriented personality. Second one is the mind oriented personality. Third one is the understanding oriented personality. And fourth one is the wisdom oriented personality. I hope you may know your personality is the combination of your physical body. Physical body means your appearance, including all your organs. Your mental body means mind. Mind means your thoughts, feelings and emotions. Your pranic body, it means all your energy. Your understanding body, it means all your understandings, concepts and ideas. And finally, your bliss body. Bliss body means your happiness, your peace, bliss, ecstasy, joy, whatever you are looking for. So, looking to this definition, your personality can be divided into four categories. First one is the body oriented personality. It means giving priority to your body. The body oriented person takes all the decision looking to your body. It means that person lives as if he or she is a body. Second one is the mind oriented personality. It means giving priority to your mind. The mind oriented personality takes all the decision looking to your mind. It means looking to your pleasure. That person lives as if he or she is only a mind. Third one is understanding oriented personality. Here you are giving priority to your understanding, to your concept, and to your ideas. And the fourth one is the wisdom oriented personality. Here you are giving all the priority for your inner growth. You are always looking for inner peace, bliss, and joy. According to the yogic science, your target is to move from body oriented personality towards the understanding oriented personality, and later to move towards the wisdom oriented personality. For your kind information, let you know that the path of yoga is the best way to move from body oriented personality towards the wisdom oriented personality. Later, we will go deep into the subject one by one. I hope you have understood the types of personality. If not, don't hesitate to write all your questions in comment box. I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you very much for giving your precious time. Take care. Have a great time ahead. See you soon.